Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with James. I am your host James. Today we're actually going to be doing a review on what I think is the best grilling and air fryer and oven combo on the market. I've used several different ones and I came out with this being the best. It is the Foodi Smart XL Grill, but let's go ahead and take a quick look at some of the cooks that I've done. Alright, so that is some of the food it's turned out, and all of those pictures are all videos actually on my channel. If you go, you can check all those out. I show you how to do, I mean, it does come with the book and all kinds of other stuff, but I like to think outside the box and do other things. But this cooker is amazing, so make sure to subscribe so you can actually, if you do end up purchasing this machine, that you can watch some videos and learn how to turn out some awesome food. So with that being said, let's go ahead and kind of get into the review. Alright, so here is the Foodi Smart XL Grill, and right off the bat, this is what it looks like. Just very sleek, black, and like a chrome. So this sitting on your countertop is going to look this is by far the best looking appliance that I have. I have some other air fryers and stuff like that, but this thing is looks awesome. The other thing I like about it, when you're cooking on it, to the touch, it doesn't get hot. So you can have it around. If a child or something was to come up and touch it, they're not going to burn themselves. So anyway, just wanted to kind of show you what it looks like, and then we're going to go ahead and get into the interface and open it up. Okay, so first thing I want to show you kind of just what it comes with. I got mine from Kohl's. You can go to Ninja, get a couple more goodies and whatnot, but when you open it up, so on the bottom here it comes with this. It's the drip pan that always goes in when you're cooking. You have a grill grate, so you can get some great marks on your steaks and burgers and dogs, whatever you want, chicken. Then it also comes with the air fryer basket. You just take this out and put it in. I never use this thing, hardly ever, because there's more surface area here, and I think it actually cooks better on the grate itself. So that's what it comes with. If you go to Ninja, you could probably get a couple of extra goodies, maybe a couple of skewers or something like that, but that's fine for me. It does also come with a brush that actually is pretty handy to clean the grooves. I do have the book, and actually I've had this thing for over a year. It does come with an awesome book, recipes, warranty, obviously manuals, owner's manual guide, and all of that stuff. So really simple what the inside looks like. Now let's go down here and take a look at the actual interface. So I'm going to close this back up, and it's really sleek. Let me see if I can drop this a little bit, kind of get you in here. I love this interface because it has everything. Well, let me see if I can zoom in just a little bit, get a better idea. Anyway, so you have your air crisp, roast, grill, bake, broil, and dehydrate. And then over here on the side, actually I'll show you, but there's a thermometer that actually comes with it. So you can actually use presets, and let's say chicken is done at 165 degrees, so you can plug this thermometer in and stick it into your meat, and once it reaches the desired temperature of whatever meat you're cooking, this machine will automatically shut off. So I absolutely love that. Alright, so what I also want to show you, because if you're going to get this, one of the main reasons is you want to grill steaks, chicken, burgers, brats, all that good stuff. So what I'm going to do is we're actually going to pick the grill function here. We're going to turn this thing up to max, and then I'm going to press start. It's going to take a minute to preheat, and what I'm going to show you is how hot the grill grate gets, which is great for cooking all kinds of food. I got a temperature gun here. We're going to temp it out, see how hot it really gets, and then we'll be right back and we'll kind of go through the rest of it. See you in a minute. Okay guys, so it is done preheating. It says add food. That means it is done preheating. We're going to open this thing up and see what the temperature of the grate is. You want super hot, like if you're doing a steak or something like that. So we're gonna open it up, and I'm gonna gun this real quick. Yes. So anywhere, so about 467. So about 475 to 480 is what it's going to be right when you pull it up. So this is screaming hot. You take your steaks on there, put them on, and you got your awesome grill marks. We could throw 4 ribeyes on here easily. It's about 7 minutes. Ribeyes done. Burgers about 5 minutes. Brats about I think it was about 7-8 minutes. But anyway, I just want to show you kind of how hot it gets, and that's awesome. So the other thing, I'm actually going to stop this. We're going to go back to the interface just real quick to kind of give you an idea. So whatever, let's say you pick Air Crisp or whatever, you got your let's do Air Crisp. You got your time, or your your temperature over here. You have your time over here. This is not rocket science. This is very simple and easy to use. Not much to it. Interfaces looks awesome. The machine itself looks awesome, and it does the job. I've had several different air fryers, grilling, and all kinds of different stuff. This one though, oh yeah, 450 degrees. I'm putting my hand on it. It's not even, barely even warm. So anyway, I'm going to take you back up top. We'll go through a couple other things. See you in a minute. Alright guys, so that is a quick review. Now, keep in mind, I know there's probably a couple of things I didn't cover. I just wanted to give you a real quick snapshot that this thing can do pretty much everything. Only thing it can't do is rotisserie, which I've got about 4. Actually, I've got one sitting on the counter right here, back over here somewhere. Anyway, rotisserie chicken, it's a pain in the butt. You gotta put the skewer in, the things, and all that stuff. You can go to the store and get a rotisserie chicken for $6, $7, $8 versus the hassle and the cleanup of, you know, trying to do that. Not even a big deal. This thing cooks absolutely perfect. Let's just say chicken wings. Put them in a specific time, drop the top, come back, and they're done. With my other air fryers, you gotta rotate racks, you gotta switch things around to make sure that it's cooking evenly. I've done chocolate chip cookie cakes in here. I've done, this thing bakes within a couple of degrees of what you set it on, so it's actually even more accurate than your oven. So whatever you can fit in there will turn out perfect. Cakes, we're talking about steaks and brats and wings. Everything that anything you can think of. Homemade mac and cheese, lasagna, whatever you want can go in there. All right. So now just remember, now I am doing a ton of videos on this. I've had this thing for almost a year and a half. So make sure to subscribe so you can check it out. It does come with a warranty. You know, like I showed you the food book. Well, I don't necessarily need to show you that again, but anyway, it's a great food book and all that stuff. But at the end of the day, out of every air fryer that has a grilling function, this is the one. I'll leave a link right here for a couple things. Number one, a grilling air fryer that you don't want to purchase, for sure. Right here, there's a link for that one. Also, I'll put a link for some other stuff like the temperature test I did on this thing. Some other cooks I did on this thing, but you can check all those pictures I showed you out on my channel. All of them turned out just like that and absolutely perfect. So anyway, if you are new to the channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Make sure to give a thumbs up, leave an awesome comment, and I will leave a link in the description below where you can purchase this. And if you have any questions, leave those below in case I missed something. I will get back to you as soon as I can. With that being said, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next cook/review.